How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. I have an updated video for you. So the Galaxy Z Flip 4. So long story short, if you watch my video for last week, my fiance, she noticed something on her Galaxy Z Flip 3 and I was surprised as well. Actually, the screen was peeling off. And long story short, we contacted Samsung support, and after 48 hours, they arranged a pickup. So they came last Saturday, and they collect the phone. And today's Saturday. You're gonna watch this video probably after a couple of days. So I have the phone here. And now I'm gonna explain you what happened. So I was surprised in the beginning because obviously customer service. This is the first time that we're dealing with Samsung, and this never happened before. Samsung, it's a pretty known company, and you expect the service to be perfect, excellent. And I just wonder, what is your experience with Samsung mobile devices? If you have any interesting story, leave it in the comments down below. But we contact them, they arrange the pickup, bam, after 48 hours they collect the phone, and exactly week after we received the phone. Actually, today is Saturday. You're gonna watch this video soon. Actually, I was working today only for a couple of hours. I was away, and my fiance, she wake up about 9 this morning, and she said there's a package for her, and it was DPD, and they delivered the phone. There was 2 notes, obviously with the model of the phone, all the details, all the information, and also another paper that includes all the stuff that they did. So they did a test about, it's crazy, they did a lot of things. Actually, they reset all the phone. So make sure if you send your device, you have a backup, or you just send all your files, pictures, and data to computer. So make sure you have your backup, otherwise they're gonna reset everything. So they did what they supposed to do. Obviously, it's their job. And when I saw the phone, actually I was surprised, because I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but this thing looks like brand new. Obviously, I'm gonna put some pictures on the screen, but this looks like we got the phone on the first day. So I'm pretty happy. Obviously, the phone, obviously it has a guarantee. It's 24 months. So that's pretty normal practice, obviously. But I just want to know if this happened to you, or it, because we live in southeast of London. So I don't know. I think it counts if you live, I don't know, maybe in central part. I don't know how many Samsung services there are around your area. I was expecting at least 2 weeks. And also for the collection, I was expecting at least a week, because I mean, most of the services, if you buy something, takes a couple of days, maybe weeks, to be delivered. And this is shocking. I was surprised that Samsung actually managed to collect the phone On the next day, I know 48 hours, and after a week, we received the phone, and it is like brand new. And it's amazing because you expect from a Samsung company, not just Samsung company, any company, they should have an excellent customer service, excellent. Um, Obviously, the customer should be happy, and it's a multi-billion company, and you expect. And I was skeptical, and actually, I was a little bit. I don't think that they wanna do something, and I don't think that it's gonna be so fast. They're gonna fix the phone so quickly. But this is interesting because I have proof exactly 1 week, and we received the Galaxy Z Flip 3 here, and it is like brand new, like it was on the first day when we got the phone from Samsung. And this phone, I think you can able to see right now. Yeah, obviously you can see the crease, but it didn't was like last week. So let me know in the comments down below if you had any experience with Samsung device. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications because I planned another video with the PlayStation support. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications because it was an interesting experience with PlayStation support, which happened to me a couple of days ago. And it's kind of funny because I did something, but yeah, make sure to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications. It's gonna be a fun video. But yeah, I'm happy right now. My fiance is happy. Obviously, before we send the phone, they said that if they check, obviously they're gonna do tests. They know what they're doing. If they see that something is not right, if it see that, let's say you did something to the device, let's say you damaged it yourself in purpose, just to make sure, because I don't know, there's people doing this thing. They destroy their phones, and then I don't know, but they say that if you do something that is not in their compliance about the warranty, they're not gonna fix the phone. You have to pay. But yeah, long story short, this is the my update for you guys. I mean, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. But yeah, I am blown away about Samsung customer service, and the lady that emailed us. This was a live chat. Obviously, we was live chatting. She was very, very like on point. Like the customer service is level up. Like, I mean, I expect that. Like I mentioned, it's a multi-billion company, so you expect the customer service to be amazing, which is. So, yeah, I'm happy with the phone right now. My fiance is happy, so I hope we don't have any more problems. Again, this still it's a brand new phone. It's been like 8 months, and this phone is we bought it directly from Samsung, so which is plus. Um, so like my iPhone 13 Pro, again, I bought it directly from Apple. I don't know. I just prefer. I can buy it from other retails. Pretty much, it's gonna be the same thing. But I don't know. When you buy it directly from the company, I think I don't know. It's personally, I think it's much better. But yeah, yeah. So I'll keep you updated. I hope we don't have any more issues, any more problems with this device. But yeah, Samsung, yeah, 5 stars. You get a 5 stars. You rock, you rock. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. If you enjoy this type of videos, please let me know. I'm super happy to talk to you. We can talk anything. Let's have some fun, and yeah, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and enjoy. Thank you very much one more time, and I'll see you in the next video.